Alright, so in this video I'm going to show you how to change the Key Fob battery in a Ford Ranger. So this is the reboot of the Ranger that they've done starting in 2019. You might have the fob that looks like this. It's got a flip out key like so. So to change the battery, if the battery's gone out on your fob here, flip this out, and then what you need to do is at the base of the fob here, this backing comes off, and to separate it, there's a small indentation about right there where my index finger is pointing, kind of where the lock sign is. And at the base of that, if you take like a small flathead screwdriver, you can get into the little notch there and pry apart this backing. So you can see there's that notch, so we just put it in there and then are able to pry off this back, and then we can get access to the battery that we need to change, which this is the CR2032 3-volt battery. You just pop that out, and then when you grab a new one, just make sure that the plus sign is facing towards you. That's the positive sign. It's got the lettering on it. Pop that back in. New one of those. Fresh new battery. Should be good to go. And then this backing just pops right back in. And that's it. So that's how you change the fob battery on a Ford Ranger from the newest version from 2019.